What's up, Jooba people? Today we're doing White Ferrari by Frank Ocean, and I'm back. I'm still a little sick, but I'm good. Okay, so White Ferrari uses these chords, and I'm going to quickly show you what it's going to sound like. I'm going to, go download the PDF using the link in the description. It is not free, but it is very, very cheap. Okay, so White Ferrari, I'm going to play it for you, and this PDF is printable and has all the parts on. Okay. So verse 1, we're going to do it like this. Bad luck to talk on these rides. Mine on the road, your dilated eyes watch the clouds float. White Ferrari, had a good time. 16, how was I supposed to know anything? And then it continues like that, and then we got the so I text to speech. Oh, that's still the same. I care for you still, but I will forever. That was my part of the deal. Honest, we got so familiar, spending each day of the year. White Ferrari, good times. In this life, in this life. Too many years, so tainted eyelids and facelift. So as you can see, really easy chords, really kind of repeating the same kind of shapes, and not that complicated strumming and stuff. So this is a beginner version. There is another way you can play it, which is with C, E minor, and F. But then you have to use the thumb in the bass, and that's a little bit hard for beginner players. So there are tutorials online about how to play it like that, but I'm going to show you this easier way. Okay, so capo on 5th fret, boom. We're going to use our chords in the key of G. All right, so let's zoom in here. And let's go over the first line of chords. G, we're just going to play with 2 fingers, just like that. All right. So we're not going to worry about the bow because it's kind of like a bassy song. Because we have capo on 5th fret, it works really nice to not even use the high strings. Okay. Bad luck to talk. B minor 7. You can just use these 2 fingers if you want, or add this finger on the G string. Okay. Okay, so bad luck to talk on these rides. C major 7. Now, he actually uses a C major 9 chord, but you could alternate between the two, and you can even hammer on and pull off this finger. So, you know, to get a really nice sound. So you can alternate wherever there's a C, C major 9, C major 7 chord, you can alternate between these two. All right, second line of chords is D over F sharp. So if you take an E minor chord and you just split these 2 fingers up, then you get a D over F sharp chord. And we use this for D when we're playing in this key. So you can also use these 2 fingers. So you can try what worked for you. And then if you take the same shape and then just kind of put it a little bit down, with only 1 string in between the 2, it's an A7, and this is in that part that I played in the intro. A7. Okay, now we get a B7 chord. Now if you take the C major 7 shape and you move it back 1 fret, then you get this B7, but you want to add your pinky on the 3rd string, so you get this nice B7 sound. Now this we use when we're playing a B chord in this key. So you got A7 or C, C major 7, move it back. And then we can also use this D at the 5th fret. It's like a D at 11 chord. So you got C, B7, D7, all with the same shape. And then we can also do an A minor chord there with the same shape. So C, B7 with the pinky, A minor, Okay, now while we're here, let's go to the strumming. The strumming feel is down, 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 down. And you can very easily add up strums. Let's just make this. You can add up strums in between the downs. And you can miss some of the strums, so you can go down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down. That kind of gives you that feel. Oh, my reverb was off. That sucks. Okay, but anyway, chord progressions. Let's go over to this window, and I'm going to show you some of the chord progressions that they use. Now, for the main part, verses, we're going to go G, B minor, C. And the G and B minor share a bar. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we go back at the top on these tracks. I was just scared. Dilated eyes low. We got so familiar. Anyway, that's nice. I sometimes replace the G with the E minor chord, and that really works wonders. All right, I'm not going to actually go through the progressions here. This is just kind of a reminder thingy, but let's go through the song. So, first part of the song, always the same. G, B minor, C, G, B minor, C. The whole part, okay? Even here with the tag. So I text to speech, that's the speech, text to speech. Yes. Bass text all on me eventually, eventually, yes. Only eventually, eventually, yes. So that D replaces the B minor here at the end. Okay. And just a reminder, the D we play like that, okay? Okay, then we get to the chorus, second page. And now we're going to go to single strums per chord. And we're just going to go like this. I care for you still, but I will forever see. That was my part of the deal. Honest, we got see. Familiar. Spending each day of the year, a white Ferrari, good times, C, C, G, D, in this life, sorry, in this life. Now this is where the progression gets the hardest. This is the hardest part of the song, where we have the B chord, and the B chord is just for one beat. So that's what makes it a little harder. So we got C, C, B, D, and we're gonna use this D at 11 for this one. It sounds really nice. So oh, sorry, I added the pinky there on the C. I shouldn't do that. Tattooed eyelids on a facelift. Mind over matter's magic to magic. If you think about it, And so there, it's just the melody there is a little bit intense. You can improvise whatever you want there, because they've got all the fancy editing and stuff. So. But you get the idea. So the tag 2, we got the progression going. Boom, boom, boom. So that's going to take some practice, okay, to get that right. And then here it's just I can't remember how this melody goes. So sorry, but the progression is pretty simple. C, G, D the whole time. All right, and I did check it. The chords are on the right place when I figured it out. All right, if you want more info about this, you should go to my website, and there you will find chord collections, strum patterns, songs in the same kind of genre or in use the same kind of chord collection. So you can actually find songs that use this chord collection, because this technically is not in the key of G, but it uses the chord collection in the key of G, because we're using a capo. So this is not really a G chord, it's a G shape. You know what I mean? So what you can do is you can learn these chords, and then you're like, okay, this is key of G, chord collection. So you can actually find other songs that it uses the same set of chords, which there are a ton of songs that use this set of chords. So have a nice day, and I'll see you in the Jooba People community. Go sign up. Use the links in the description. Peace out, people.